I'm Daisy, and today I will show you how to print leaves. I've just been taking it out, and I found that newer leaves are better than older leaves because they crumple up. There they do. And then you get a paper, and then you cover it like this. For any children who would just like this. Paint you can get from, I got these from Tesco's, but you can get them from, it will come to me, Williams. You can get paper workers, pretty cheap, and then the paper, and then you just cover it, and cover the paper, cover the leaf, like this, and then face down. Now the paper I got from a present, but you'll probably get it from the works or Wilco's again. Wilco is pretty good for crafty stuff. And then if you peel it up very slowly, you get a little pan with it. No, honestly, the leaf looks a bit off. No, but I'm going to try with a different colour. This is probably red. To see if I can make purple. Now this green colour obviously, so it might not work. Now, my partner always says that you should always wash your paintbrush every time you use it. That way the bristles. Really true. That's why all my paintbrushes are tissue. A bit down like this. And then use the same one. It shouldn't matter. I already got paint on, it would mix anyway. If we just do this, make sure you cover all of it. It's like what I did last time. I don't think I cover all of it correctly. If I didn't do this, then take one, drop it on there. Now, for the kids, people don't like when you break leaves from trees, so don't do that. Try put them in the ground. I kinda did pick mine up from a big mind of a tree, but you do that. Yeah, bad for the environment. If I do that, I made it a more dark brown, well, a dark red one. You can keep doing this all over the page, and then you can frame it or whatever you want. I would try to find different kinds of leaves. I guess the fresher the better. Is it less likely to break? I had this one. Now this was the older one. I did try it, but it wasn't very good. I could try it again to see. But I think because it's broken, it doesn't lie flat like the other one. Yeah, to try it. Well, it's not as good, I think. And I try with this one. And I really didn't work. But you can try this with many types of ones. I'm sure the bigger the space, I think the better, because it's more flat. Yeah, I think that's what I can tell you. But it's something that you get outside. It's good to look at the environment and feel it, and have good texture, and be grateful that you went out. So I hope you have a good day, and I will see you next time. Bye.